Good morning, students. Today is Marvelous Monday and the date is 20th July 2020. In our previous video lesson, we learned how to write informal letter to a friend, and the subject of that letter was to write a letter to your friend telling him or her about the monthly test you just have taken. And I asked you to practice that letter on a loose sheet. I'm sure that आप सब ने वो practice किया होगा. Alright, so this is the letter, and you were asked to follow the format of the letter, you see. And on Friday we discussed the parts of letter. That first part is address, greeting, salutations, body of the letter, then closing of the letter. And I told you to write in paragraphs. You have to form the paragraphs while writing a letter to your friend. I'm sure आप सब ने इसको practice किया होगा. Alright, अपनी loose sheets पे, और आपने अपने notes को भी complete किया होगा. Alright, now let's start today's topic. Today we are going to practice adverbs. I'm sure all of you are familiar with the adverbs, but anyhow, let's recall, let's review what are the adverbs. Adverb is one of the parts of the speech, and adverbs tell us more about verbs. And a few examples of adverbs are gracefully, harshly, quickly, soundly, as you see are written here. And to understand adverb, let me show you a flashcard. Alright, here are some of the examples of adverbs given on this. Adverb describes a verb. If you see, if I hide add, what is it? Verbs. So this is an easy way to learn. When I remember I was at school, my teacher told me that you can learn about adverbs similarly, right? आप add को hide कर दें, so what is the remaining? Yes, verbs. So adverb is something which tells us about verbs. Alright, and what are the verbs? Yes, absolutely. Verbs are the action words, the doing words, the words which tell us about some actions. Those words are called verbs. So adverbs are the words which tells us more about verbs. Let's take a look at some of the examples. Endlessly, confidently, excitedly, carefully, happily, heavily, cheerfully. And what are the verbs here? Chatter, endlessly. Swim, confidently. Swim is the verb and confidently is the adverb, because confidently is adverb and it is telling us how the action has been performed. Excitedly, write excitedly. Read carefully. Smile happily. Smile is the verb and happily is adverb. Rain heavily. Rain is the verb and heavily is adverb. Cheerfully, chirp. Chirp, cheerfully. Chirp is the verb, you know. So these are a few examples which of adverbs which are describing some of the verbs. Now let's take a look at this one. Adverbs. Let me show you closely. Adverbs are used to describe the way things happens. For example, the light bulb shines brightly. What is the verb here? Absolutely. Shine is the verb and brightly is adverb. Mostly we identify the adverbs by their ending sound li. Most of the adverbs end with li sound, and they are formed. Most of the adverbs are formed by adjectives. The man sang loudly. Verb. What is the verb here? Sang. Sang is the verb and loudly is adverb. Alright, let me show you more examples. You see, the girl danced gracefully. Danced is the verb, and as we discussed that adverbs tells us more about a verb, that how the action has been performed. So gracefully is the adverb which is giving us information, which is telling us about verb. Alright, in second example, he sang a song loudly. Loudly is adverb and sang is the verb. They write neatly. Neatly is adverb, and this adverb is telling us about the verb that is right, that how the verb has been done. Alright, so these are a few examples of adverbs, and now I would like you to take out your textbook. Textbook page number 33. Alright, textbook page number 33. Write down the day, Monday followed by the date 20th July 2020, and learning about language, we are going to attempt the exercise related to adverbs. All right, so what is the different thing here in this exercise? As you know that we have degrees of adjectives. For example, fast, faster, fastest. It's positive, comparative and superlative. Similarly, we have got degrees of adverbs as well. This is comparative and this is superlative, all right? And we use more and most here. So let's see how can we do that. This is the chart. On A we have quickly, fortunately, hastily, pleasantly. All right, fortunately means luckily. So quickly, more quickly, most quickly. One has been done for you already. All right, fortunately, more fortunately, most fortunately. There will be the spellings will remain the same. There is no change in the spelling, only more and most are added before the word. Comparative जो है इसका middle है, alright, and superlative is the highest degree. So more, much, more, most. Quickly, more quickly, most quickly. Fortunately, more fortunately, most fortunately. Hastily, more hastily, most hastily. Hastily means hurriedly. Hastily means something that you do hurriedly. Then we have pleasantly, more pleasantly, most pleasantly. Alright, these are the adverbs. You see the ending sound ly, because these are the regular verb, and regular verbs end with ly sound. Alright, now next table. Now try these. Hard, harder, hardest. High, higher, highest. Early, earlier, earliest. Late, later, latest. So that's how we have completed the chart. We have completed the table by writing down the comparative and superlative. This table offers comparative, and this part of the table offers us superlative. You see, let me show you closely. These are comparative options and these are superlative. All right, let's turn the page. All right, now we are going to discuss irregular adverbs. Some adverbs are called irregular. They do not follow the pattern given on the previous page. So what are the irregular adverbs? Irregular adverbs, first of all, let's see this. Regular verbs are those verbs which form their comparative and superlative by adding er or est at the end. You see, hard, harder, and hardest. High, higher, highest. Early, earlier, earliest. Late, later, latest. But some of the adverbs do not form their comparative and superlatives by adding er or est. Right? So let's take a look at this. Badly, worse, worst. Late, later, latest. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Far, farther, farthest. Alright? So that's how we have understood irregular adverbs. So these are the irregular verbs because they have not formed their comparative and superlatives by adding er or est. Alright? Now, adverbs are usually placed after the verb in a sentence. Let's take a look at the examples. He walked slowly. Slowly is adverb here. Please highlight the adverb slowly. Walked is the verb, and here in second example, she read Urdu beautifully. She read Urdu beautifully. Beautifully is adverb and read is the verb. All right. So we have to complete. We have completed the tables on the previous page. Now we are going to complete this one exercise. Complete the sentences using adverbs. We have to complete these sentences by writing down the adverbs. It's not necessary that you write down the same adverbs. It's your choice. You can write of your own. On A we have he drove. Drove is the verb. Alright, so let's highlight. Drove is the verb. Made, speaks. Alright, come, see. He drove hastily. Hastily means hurriedly. She made a cake early. He speaks English fluently. They regularly come to see us at the weekend. E. We rarely see them during the week. Rarely means off and on, not quite often. So कुछ ऐसा जो आप quite often नहीं करते, that is called rarely. Alright, so that's how you have to fill up the sentences, by putting the suitable adverbs. Alright, now I would like you to open up your workbook, because we have to complete few exercises there as well. Alright children, as you can see that, first of all please write down the day, Monday, followed by the date, 20th July 2020. Now we are going to form adverbs from the adjectives. These are adjectives: sensible, lucky, leisure, humble, polite, terrible. These are the adjectives. Alright, so let's write down adjective first. These are the adjectives, and these are adverbs. How can we form adverbs from these adjectives? Sensible, sensibly, lucky, luckily, leisure, leisurely, humble, humbly, polite, politely, terrible, terribly. Let's underline ly sound at the end. You see there's a slight change in the spelling. Sensibly, E has been omitted here, and leisurely E will go here. Humbly, यहाँ पे भी E हमने exclude किया है. Politely same है, politely. Terribly, इसमें भी हमने E को जो है omit किया है. Alright, so that's how you will form adverbs from the given adjectives. Alright, let's read some more information about comparing adverbs. When we compare adverbs and we form their comparative and superlatives, we must keep one thing in our mind, that some of the adverbs are irregular and some are regular. Alright, let's take the examples of some of the adverbs. Early, earliest, early, earlier, earliest, fast, faster, fastest. Alright, and sometimes you put more and most. For example, courageously, fortunately, more courageously, most courageously, more fortunately, most fortunately. Alright, this one part is to be done as homework on workbook page number 20, A2. Alright, workbook page number 20, A2. A2. This part is to be completed as homework. You have to form the adverbs. Alright, you have to form the adverbs by writing down their comparative and superlatives. Alright, late, little, much. In our textbook we just have studied that. हमने अपनी textbook पे इसको अभी complete किया है. Alright, little, much. You can read the column. आप यहाँ से ये table read करेंगे and by using these adverbs आप इसको complete करेंगे. Alright, so this is the diary for today. Learn adverbs, textbook page number 33, 34 and do workbook page number 20, A2 as homework. This is the diary for today, and that's how you will practice this. Alright, thank you very much. Look after yourself. Stay home, stay safe.